Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Earth zoom out effect using Higgsfield AI. So basically, just video yourself doing anything. Under visual effects, you'll be able to see there is this. Just take a picture of yourself somewhere. You can be holding like a glove or something. A glove? A globe. Or something, and then edit it and make it look like you're holding the Earth. Select it, select generate. You do need 5 tokens. I don't have any, so I can't show you the results, but it does work. I'm just going to drag my image here. You can add in a prompt, and once you're done, you're just going to select generate. You can choose emotion here, but basically you're just going to select generate here. And unfortunately, I can't right now, but that is pretty much it. It's going to generate the video. Will look like the one just in the example in the home page here. So it will look like this. It's actually pretty cool, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Just take a picture of you wherever it is you are in the world, and this will happen. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.